Welcome back to another video, and this is going to be the October 2022 income report. Now I hope you guys are excited for the first month of Q4 as the sales slowly start to build, all in preparation for December. So check out how October went for me. So for the month of October, my royalties were $1,241.53. Now I'm pleased to finally cross the $1,000 mark again, as I wasn't able to in Q3. So it's all looking positive for November and December. And just taking a look at the bar chart, you can see actually that my largest day was on the 12th of October, and I did $65.64, and the smallest day for October was where I earned just $18.71. You can see I spent a total on ads of $460.91, and that is quite a lot. However, it has given me a lot of data, and a lot of my books are also ranking really well on the first and second pages, and I've also got good reviews. So I'm just building up for, as I said before, November and December, and looking forward to it. Now the total amount of paperbacks I sold was 731 for the month, so I'm really pleased with how it went for me. Let's take a look at the marketplace stats. So you can see the UK dominated most of my sales with 88%. Now I do target a lot of my books for the UK market, just because I have a lot of knowledge about the market, and my ads have been performing really well here. Then followed by Amazon.com, which has 11% of the sales. Then the smaller markets, you've got Canada, Germany, and Spain. So it's always nice to get sales from those marketplaces as well. So let's take a look at my top 5 best-selling books of the month. Now this first book is a logbook, and I sold 273 paperbacks, which grossed $346.55. Then the second book, you've got an activity book, and that grossed me $208.54. Third book, you've got a coloring book, which made $106.83. Then you've got the fourth book, which is actually a would you rather type of book, and that did $88.29. And then the fifth and final book we'll take a look at is a coloring book, and that did $79.02. So that's my top 5 books of the month. Just taking a look at my ad spend, so you can see that I ran ads in the US, UK, and Canada had the lowest ACOS of 7.4%, but I only had a total of 2 orders. The UK also had a very decent ACOS of 21.2%. However, I did spend the highest amount here of £359.65, and I'm not always comfortable spending this amount, but when I do see the benefits of how my books are ranking, getting sales, getting reviews, and getting on those first and second pages, which should result in organic sales, then I continue to keep on spending a similar amount. And then finally the US, where the ACOS was 33.69%, and I had a total orders of 17. Now to crunch all the numbers to find out the October total, we can take a look, and we know that the income was $1,241.53, and the total that I spent on ads, and this is including the 20% VAT that I am charged as I live in the UK. So the total I spent on ads was $552.28, plus my subscriptions, which just include Canva, Creative Fabrica, and KDP Champ. And you can see my expenses are just here, and the total amount that I earned for October 2022 is $657.93. So thank you for watching another video. Let me know how October went for you guys, and if you've got any questions or comments, then put those in the comment section.